Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you some real-time video of the second pizza that I tried out in my brand new Turpone Forza pizza oven. So this bake here, I had this thing cranked to the maximum, which is around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. And this pizza oven heats up very quickly. I was super impressed by that. The temperature reached around 900 degrees in about 15 minutes, and then I reduced the heat to about medium and let that go for about 10 minutes to ensure that the pizza stone was completely hot and ready to go. And then I simply press on the start button on the motor, and the turntable starts to do its magic. And having the pizza rotate like that automatically for me takes a lot of stress out of the pizza bake. So for this one, I did want to do a test. I wanted to do it at the highest temperature so that I could see how the pizza oven reacts to my dough. And I should also mention that this dough has a 70% hydration. And on subsequent pizza bakes, I did reduce the temperature down to about 800. I'm still getting used to the pizza oven, but amazing results. And then after I removed the pizza, I took a couple of photos just to show you the final product. So this was my second attempt with this brand new pizza oven, and I think for an amateur, I did pretty well. If you want more information about this pizza oven, I'll put all of the information down underneath the video in the description box. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. That's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.